Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your LLC to Bizee. Alright, let's begin. Bizee is an online legal document preparation and filing service that simplifies the process of forming various business entities, including LLCs, S-Corp, C-Corp, and nonprofits. It provides a range of services aimed at entrepreneurs, such as preparing and filing necessary documents, offering registered agent services, and providing lifetime compliance alerts. Now, transferring an LLC to Bizee could be appealing for several reasons. First one is the ease of use. Bizee's platform is designed to make the process of forming and managing a business straightforward, which is particularly beneficial for first-time entrepreneurs. Next, the comprehensive services. Bizee provides a one-stop shop for business needs, including ongoing support, tax consultations, and compliance reminders, which can save time and reduce the stress of managing various aspects of business operations. Then we have cost effectiveness. With competitive pricing and the option for free services, businesses can save money while still receiving professional assistance with their legal and operational needs. To start the process, follow along. First, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for bizee.com. Once the website loads, you will see various options available for business services. After that, you just want to select the reason for the transfer. You may be transferring to Bizee due to its low registered agent fee, amendments, or low annual report fee. For this example, I'm going to select the annual report from this menu. This option is popular among business owners looking to save on costs while ensuring compliance. Once you get to the target web page, click on the Get Started button and a new page will load up. Here, you will be prompted to enter information regarding your contact info, company info, and company address. This information is crucial for the transfer process as it helps Bizee understand your business structure. If you don't remember the information regarding your LLC formation or its address, don't worry. Simply open a new tab and search for your state name, entity search. For me, it's Florida, so I'm going to search for it and open the first web link. Now, search for the LLC in the field at the top, and all of the entities with that name will be displayed. You just need to locate your LLC inside it and get the necessary information, such as the formation date and registered address. This step ensures that you have accurate details for the transfer. After entering all of that, click on the next button, and you will be prompted to enter info regarding your mailing address, registered agent, and members. This information is essential for maintaining communication and ensuring that all parties involved are properly informed. Again, if you don't remember it, just go to the state entity website and copy the information from there. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click on Next, and your state fee along with the processing fee will start displaying. This is where you can review the costs associated with the transfer, which are generally quite reasonable compared to other services. You just need to agree to the terms and click on the Complete and Pay button. So that's basically how you can transfer your LLC to Bizee. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.